Here's a quick comparison between MagicLight AI and InVideo. MagicLight AI can create stunning AI story video effortlessly. You can go ahead and create 10 of millions of users with kid stories, comedy, religious, history, science, and education. You can go ahead and animate different stories on your end with different genre of your choice. While in video, you can generate AI videos with just text. In here, you can go ahead and transform your imagination into eye-catching videos. What you need to do is just go ahead and put on the prompts that you want. This is also that can generate EA videos without learning a curve, which means you don't need any codes for you to be able to create AI videos that has come your imagination into life. You can also edit videos with a text or prompt, just like on the showing screen on your end. You can go ahead and narrate the video depending on your end and unleash your creativity with just an AI video generator. Now here's a table for a more detailed comparison. For feature, core creation method, Magic AI is a text-to-video generation, while InVideo is a text-to-video automation. For control and customization, Magic Light AI focus on scene character and consistency, while on video focus on script, format, template script, and voiceover. Now for best for, Magic Light AI is best for narrative, cinematic, or unique visuals, while the InVideo is best for content marketing and informational videos. Now, if you want to have your business into more generation or more creative, you can go ahead and use InVideo. Now, if you want more detailed or creative imagination video, you can use Magic Light AI.